Here, in the second part of this video, I show you how to make a game over screen and how to make buttons. And we add a dead sound to the player. Let's first create a folder for the coins, so everything looks a little cleaner. Left click on level 1, then right click and click Add Child Node. Search for Node 2D and double click on it. Double click on Node 2D and rename it to Coins. Hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and select all your coins. Now, drag and drop them into your coins folder. Now, we can close the folder at this little arrow. Great! Now let's start with the game over screen. For this, we will make a new scene. Click here on the plus symbol. Now select Other Node. Now search for Control and double click on it. Double click on Control and rename it to Game_Over. Now right click on Game_Over, click on Add Child Node. Search for Color Rect and double click on it. Use the mouse to enlarge your Color Rect window to the size of your game screen, like this. Change the color you like. Go to Inspector. Click on Visibility. Then, click on the Color field of Modulate and choose a color. Click again on Game_Over, then right-click, then click on Add Child Node and search for Label and double-click on it. Type Game Over in the text box. Now, click on Scale Mode and enlarge your label. Now, go back to Select Mode, and place your label a bit more centered. Now save your scene with Ctrl+S on your keyboard, and click on Save. Start the program. Alright. Let's change the color of the Game Over font. Click on Label. Now go to Inspector, click on Visibility, then on the Color field of Modulate, and choose a color again. Start the program. Alright. Now let's make the buttons play again and quit. Click on Game_Over, then right-click and click on Add Child Node. Search for button and double-click on it. Go to Inspector and type Play Again in the text field. Now, click on Scale Mode to enlarge your button. Switch back to Select Mode, and place the button wherever you want. You can change the size of your button with the dots on the rectangle without affecting the size of the text. Like this. double-click on the button and rename it to Play Again. Now, do the same with the Quit button. Click on Game_Over again. Then, right-click on Add Child Node and so on. Don't forget to rename the button. Call it Quit. Start the program. Alright, the buttons are there. Let's activate them now. Click Game_Over and add a script to it. Click on this symbol. At Template, click on Empty. Now, click on Create. Now, click on the button, Play Again, then, go to Node, and double-click on Pressed. Click on Game_Over, then on Connect. We now have this function in our Game_Over script. Delete pass, and enter the following line. We want to restart level 1 when we click the button, Play Again, so we need to insert the path of level 1 here. Go to File System. Click on Level 1, T, S, C, N. Then right-click, and then, click on Copy Path. Go into the parenthesis of Change Scene and paste the path here. Start the program. It works. When we click on Play Again, level 1 launches. Now, click on the Quit button, go to Node and double-click on Pressed. Click again on Game_Over and then Connect. We got again a new function in the Game_Over script. Delete pass and enter the following line. Start the program. Click on Quit. It works. Now, go to Scene Level 1 and start the game. If the player dies now, nothing happens. The Game Over screen is not displayed. That means we have to call our Game_Over scene in the function where the player dies. This happens in the enemy script. So, go to your enemy script and add this line. Now, go to File System, and click on game_over.tscn. Now, right-click and then click on Copy Path. Go into the parenthesis of Change Scene, and paste the path here. Now, go back to Scene, Level 1, and start the program. Everything works properly. Let's add a sound when the player dies. Go to your game_over scene. At File System, click on Assets, and drag and drop a sound into this folder. It should be an MP3 or OGG file. Go to Assets, and click on your sound file. Click on Import, uncheck Loop, and click on Re-import. Go back to Scene. Click on game_over, then right-click and click on Add Child Node. Search for Audio Stream Player and double-click on it. Rename it to the name of your sound file. In my case, the file is called player_dies. Be careful not to use a space when naming your file, this could lead to problems. Use underscores instead. Click on Inspector. Now, drag and drop your sound file into the stream field. If you click on Playing, you can listen to the loudness and adjust it at volume. You can also change the pitch here. Now, go into your game_over script and add this function at the very beginning of the script. Make sure your sound name is typed the same as you named it here. Go to the Scene, Level 1, and start the program. Great! Everything works properly. We are done. Hope this video could help you a little bit. Goodbye.